Yes, go to China, go to. What they have to do? Your battery get problem. What's wrong with that Samsung? Okay, make a test. You know the on. And they say you know the on. Yes. Go to Mombra.
Motherland is a home for all. So this white man was actually seen coming into Ghana as a phone fixer, like he is fixing phone on the road in Ghana, and this have actually gotten a lot of people talking. This guys actually come into Motherland to secretly study how peaceful, how beautiful Motherland is, and some of them come into Motherland to study how to cook, the cuisines, the food, the culture, and all. So I'm going to be allowing you guys to watch this video, but please do by liking this video, subscribe, and share. Let's check out these videos together.
Yes, go to China, go to. What they have to do? Your battery get problem. What's wrong with that Samsung? Okay, make a test. You know the on. And they say you know the on. Yes. Go to Mombra Circle. I'm fixing the phone. Samsung, iPhone. You're going to fix him out. You don't need how, why? Thank you. Your original squad. Yeah, Brony. Entertain. Why is she? I didn't know why is she. Why you make hot? I mean, Oscar G, New York burger. I have Oscar G. Who be saying? Who be Jessica. Guys, me what town? American burger. You from Sisia.
Where's Sweden?
It's dinner, my love. Where are you going?
Mi conosce Diane Papa. This what I mean, Diane Papa.
I'm smelling momone. What are you even doing?
I'm trying momone to add to my pepe.
Now, who asked you to even do it? Because I was going to do it myself. They say when I have to turn momone with piano. Can you please turn the fire? It's burning.
You're so much. You were so much.
I need to put away, like.
I don't know why.
Can you remove the fork too?
This is mine. I'm eating it the way I want.
I was going to do it.
If I want to leave a fork in it while I'm cooking, I can leave a fork in it while I'm cooking.
I was going to do it. I didn't ask you to
I'll
do
put
it.
it back there.
My dear son, now all the part of the momone they assume saying I was cooking momone. Okay, there, yeah.
Just leave me alone.
Leave you alone.
Yeah, let me eat my food. Let me eat my food.
I said I was going to do it. I didn't ask you to do it.
You guys need to get onto her and have her, and you guys should teach her respect.
Okay. And so like who even when it did wachi ewo eyi apotoyuem? Like how is this even you eating wachi ewo apotoyuem? Now wachi no so no cause you are saying the gum. Hey, uchirebi owiase pa o uchirebi wa nko ahwe wachi any wine when they did wachi ni wine who wachi and wine. Wachi and wine.
In this life, some people should mind their own business.
I should mind my own business as me. Me na me and I should mind my own business. Okay. You make sure you finish everything because this is a lot. How can you finish all this?
How couldn't I?
Hey. Just me who create dream. I watch it didn't want to you. Me who be that. What's that tam fish kakaka we sand and 3 eggs. 3.
Well, it was 4, but I ate one already.
Wow. Okay. Okay. Watch it and wine. Boy. You eating gobe at this time? Why?
Yes, because I like Go-Bear.
It's almost 12
So?
a.m.
And?
You can have tea or like, can I have a bite?
No. Come on.
But I made it.
It's late. It's like 12 a.m.
And could I have some?
Shouldn't be eating this late.
This I'm not just saying. You eating gobe, and you don't want me. I want some.
This is everything I ate on my trip to Ghana. First thing I tried was kelewele. This is one of the most popular street snacks made from fried plantains tossed in lots of spices. It's pretty good alone, but best served with peanuts. Then I tried asana, a sweet and refreshing traditional drink usually found around markets. It's made from fermented corn and sugar and is perfect for hot days. Another popular drink is fresh coconut water. You find it all over Ghana and I had it multiple times on my trip. Next up was wache, a classic Ghanaian dish made from rice and beans cooked together and served with sides like spaghetti, fried plantains, eggs, and meat. It started as an everyday affordable food in northern Ghana, and it's now found on almost every street. And of course, we also had some jollof rice. Rice cooked in a rich tomato and pepper sauce. Ghanaian jollof is a must-try for everyone and one of my new favorite rice dishes in the world. Overall, the food here was very delicious and spicy. If you've never tried Ghanaian food, find a Ghanaian restaurant near your house and give it a try, or come and fly to Ghana.
I just got off the local transport in Ghana called the Trotra, and when you stop for someone to get out, all the ladies come running to give you food, and I'm trying, apparently this is fried yam. Fried yam, never tried this before. It's warm, it's like a potato. Yum, like a buttery potato. Hot chips.
One thing about motherland is land for all, and these have actually gotten a lot of people, a lot of African country, thinking, how do Ghana always get it right when it comes to, foreigners coming into Ghana and investing into Ghana? How did Ghana used to do it? But the thing is, the country is selling for itself. Motherland is selling itself. Motherland is peaceful. Motherland is welcoming, hospitality, good, sweets. And that is why you see a lot of foreigners are in Ghana to study how Ghanaians get it right in some of their parts. And one of the road that they go through is to study the cuisine, the food. Because at the moment, it feels like the moment you begin to like Ghana cuisine, the people, the locals, you are definitely going to be thinking like them, like Ghanaians. Very free-minded people. That is why you see a lot of foreigners are tripping into Ghana every single day. Just like what you can see, this man is an Abroni. He is in Ghana doing shoemaker business in Ghana. And Ghanaians do not have any problem, like any issue with it, because these are the kind of people that they need in their country, people that are free-spirited, not people that, want to come into their country and unalive people or, take whatever that belongs to them. These are people that bring investment into the country, So yeah, you can see there's so much love, the land, the sea, the cocoa, the mineral resources, everything that concerns Ghana. Foreigners are just into it and they wish to become Ghanaians. Anyway, Ghana is mother to all Africa. I keep on saying it, and that is why before you can please the father, you have to please the mother first, for a reason. Anyway, this is so beautiful. When I saw this video, I'm like, wow, this is so beautiful. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section. What do you really think that foreigners love about Ghana that make them keep on coming into Ghana every single day? So thank you so much for watching. Let me know that on the comment section. Please do it by liking this video. Like this video so that YouTube can post it to more people. Share the video so that more people can see it. Thank you so much. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.